hope you like this video.
Okay, so first, I went to the sink to wash my hands and wash my ingredients to ensure that the ingredients are clean and our hands. Our recipe for today is chicken pochero. Our ulam recipe for today is chicken pochero. Here are the ingredients. Tomato sauce, chicken, cabbage, pechay bagyo, garlic, onion, tomato, and potato. First, we are going to pan fry the chicken. We are gonna put some vegetable oil into the pan. There. Now we are going to put the chicken on. When you pan fry, you put your chicken into a clean bowl like this one. Okay, I'm trying this. Here's the bowl. Okay. So kids, if you're doing this, you need to ask your mommy or your daddy for help. Add the chicken. We added some tomato sauce and some potatoes. I forgot to mention earlier that we need banana saba, so I'm gonna put some in. Water here. You can dance while waiting. I think we are done. So earlier, we put all the vegetables and ingredients. Smells good. Kids, I hope you learned a lot from my video for today. I hope you enjoy eating your chicken pochero. Bye!